Hi, welcome to the video. I thought I'd have a quick look at Beautiful Noise by Neil Diamond. A really great addition to the songbook. Chords nice and simple. D, A, G, C, F, G7, although they kind of alternate throughout the verses, so it keeps it a little bit interesting. The intro, we start with the vocal, so there's a count in, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. What a beautiful, and then we come in. So we come in on the D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. What a beautiful noise coming up from the street. Got a beautiful sound. It's got a beautiful beat. It's a beautiful noise going on everywhere, like the clickety-clack off a train on a track. It's got rhythm to spare. And now he changes. It's a beautiful noise, and it's a sound that I love, and it fits me as well as a hand in a glove. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. What a beautiful noise. Now changes to C. Coming up from the park. It's the song of the kids, and it plays until dark. So that's kind of the gist of it. That's kind of half the song. You notice the chords started to change from verses. We was in A 1 minute, and then we kind of moved over to G, and then we moved over to C. So it kind of keeps your interest. Song carries on for a few more verses throughout. It's just in the last bit as it comes out that I just wanted to have a quick look at. So I'll go from the last verse. What a beautiful noise coming into my room, and it's begging for me just to give it a tune.